Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a custom LEGO Clone Commando Gregor. So without any further ado, let's get into this. The first minifigure that you're going to need is this Phase 1 Clone Trooper from the Minifigure pack. You're then going to want to take the torso from this Mortar Trooper. I added some yellow arms onto mine. They came from the Clone Commander, but any yellow arms that you have lying around will do. The head for this minifigure comes from either a Cad Bane, a Lego Thrall, or just any blue heads that you have laying around. The helmet comes from an old 2002 clone that has the hole in the visor. The pieces that you will need for the backpack build are on the screen now. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo, but also the backpack build should look something like this. Overall, I'm very happy with the way that this minifigure turned out, and I might do a tutorial for just an ordinary Clone Commando at some point, in the same vein as this one. If you have an idea for a minifigure you would like to see me make, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, I recommend you do so, because then you'll be notified when my next customs video comes out. If you would like to watch some more tutorials on how to make some minifigures, feel free to click on the links which should be on the end screen now.